The phrase pass away is a gentle and respectful way of saying that someone has died. It is commonly used as a euphemism, which means it replaces a direct or potentially harsh word with a softer expression. Because death is often a sensitive and emotional subject, many people prefer to use pass away rather than simply saying die. The phrase helps convey sympathy, respect, and compassion when discussing the loss of a person. The origin of the phrase reflects the idea of moving from one state to another. The word pass suggests going from one place to another, while away implies leaving the current place or life behind. Historically, many cultures have used similar expressions to describe death as a transition, rather than an abrupt ending. This language reflects spiritual or philosophical beliefs about the continuation of the soul, or the peaceful departure from earthly life. In everyday conversation, pass away is often used when speaking about family members, friends, or respected individuals who have died. For example, someone might say, "My grandfather passed away last year." This wording helps soften the emotional impact of the statement and shows respect toward the deceased. It is frequently used in formal announcements, obituaries, and condolences. The phrase is also commonly heard in religious or spiritual contexts. Many faith traditions describe death as a passage to another life, or a reunion with the divine. In these settings, saying that someone passed away emphasizes the idea of peaceful transition rather than loss alone. This interpretation can provide comfort to those who are grieving. In addition, pass away can serve an important social function by helping people discuss difficult topics more gently. Conversations about death can be uncomfortable or painful, and softer language can make communication easier. By choosing this phrase, speakers show consideration for the feelings of others who may be experiencing grief or sadness. However, it is important to understand that pass away is usually reserved for humans and sometimes beloved pets. Using it in other contexts may sound unusual or inappropriate. The phrase carries emotional weight and respect, so it is most suitable when referring to someone whose death is being acknowledged with dignity. In conclusion, pass away is a respectful euphemism used to describe the death of a person in a gentle and considerate manner. The phrase reflects the idea of transitioning from life, rather than focusing solely on the end of existence. Through its compassionate tone and cultural significance, it helps people communicate about loss with sensitivity, empathy, and respect for those who have departed, and for those who mourn them.